pag in-offer sa'yo ng doctor mo na you should start taking insulin because your HbA1c levels are already above 10%, that's already a consideration na medyo we have to double time on controlling your sugar kasi the risk of prolonging increased sugar levels in your body can further increase the chance of complications. May dalawang uri ng complications, macrovascular and microvascular complications. Sa mga examples dyan, diabetic retinopathy, gangrenous foot, either neuropathies, polyneuropathies, diabetic gastroparesis. Now, ayaw natin magkaroon ng mga ganong instances kasi sobrang complicated and debilitating yung mga ganong complications. So, what's the main goal and target natin for patients with diabetes? Control their blood sugar. Now, entirely, insulin is a natural hormone and napoproduce mo. But, due to insulin resistance, doon tayo nagkakaproblema. Ang kailangan natin lang din i-include is, in the plan, you need to correct your lifestyle, correct your diet, okay, include physical activity, and we support you with pharmacologic therapy. So pharmacologic therapy, mga gamot, so the usual is your metformin or your insulin secretagogues, okay, like your sulfonylureas, okay, like your gliptins, and as well as your SGLT2s. Now bakit daming gamot para may bigay? Now, the thing is, with the first 3 months, we have to be strong enough to elicit an impact on changing your HbA1c. Now, will it work na gamot lang natin entirely? Kasi if you are still living an unhealthy lifestyle, those medications will fail. But if you top with medications plus, okay, increasing change in your lifestyle, like changing your diet, changing your physical activity routines, sleeping on time, avoiding stress, okay, and well, keeping motivated, keep yourself motivated with your family, okay, and also influence them with the proper nutrition and proper healthy habits. It will, okay, pile up with a controlled diabetic patient. Okay, so yung HbA1c na yan, it's just a number, but the quality of life will always be the main long-term goal. Quality of life na hindi ka dapat maputulan ng paa, hindi ka dapat maputulan ng kamay, hindi ka mabulag, okay, hindi nangangasim ang sikmura mo kahit naggagamot ka na para sa antacid. Okay, mas maganda ang pag-edad, pagkita sa apo at the long term kapag na-control mo yung diabetes mo. Okay, I hope this video means a lot and you learn from it. See you in the next video.